makeup and class, man. So I go make the people them favor dopey and the people them go favor ghost. And I go right on the people them face. And you know how much of them try for the makeup a little bit after me? So that just goes to show you, do not listen to people. Don't give them your idea. Just pop out, bitch. Pop out. Do your thing. No? So when my nice clean man love me enough to do that and see that in me, all if he has done it already, has nothing to do with me. When I say have nothing to do with me, now have nothing to do with me. Talk about no, not talk about the past. Talk about 2020. Talk say him do it today. You can't talk about when he was a teenager. You goodly have all a ring pop. You goodly have all a ring pop. You goodly get out trick. You goodly have one popcorn ring you did get. You don't know that. You don't know that. Allow me, make me go on with my engagement. You hear Dexter that say? All when you have 10 man, me have to be 11. What you say? Go on from here, so you could have never steal my joy. Me ma. If somebody that asked me if me did see my life like this when I was younger, I would have tell them no. Like, wait. I would have never think that. I would have never think that. So, me not feel like you can take nothing from me. Like, honestly, like, me not think a hater. Somebody who not like me, an enemy, could have taken nothing from me. Like, me too happy. Me don't know. I don't know about you, my love. You take your time walking. I don't know about you, no. I know when time my nice fiance comes, I'm gonna come off the live. Thank you guys for keeping my company. Like, I was bored. But he said, let me take care. Come out. Come out. I'm for plan. How can someone plan an engagement? Like, how do you do such thing? Where's me plan it? How can you plan it? The whole reason why I wasn't fully surprised is because tell us the whole of them talk like when see me on my live and I see my friend boy. Girl, you have to go do your ear. You have to go put your makeup. I say what happened? You have to do it. She don't give me some fun. You have to do it. Put on your nails and whatever. Make sure your hand them clean. I'm like, what happened? She chat. Listen, wouldn't nobody plan with her. Don't plan with me neither, because same thing, but I don't like me that talk. Me's not someone for telling a secret. Like, don't tell me no secret. Me are the one where I gotta just talk. When the dep on my live and ear her the day, don't it? She make me come off. So yeah, and thanks for everyone that took the time out to congratulate me. The people that will genuinely do it, and not the people that will do it because they follow. Like the people that will know my growth, know from where me I come from, know how far me I come from, know how much fight me still getting fight. Them fight a baby fight though. Them fight a baby fight, but still getting fight, and I really love what's going on, you know. Big up my IG family them. Like the people in my IG, you know, better than some friends of people that I have. Like people in my IG, big up on stuff, I love you know. I'm sorry I could just accept all I wanna request them and just talk to them all the time, but I can't. I have to take my time. For me I come from a local ghetto place, wanna stay a tenement yard. From this, so I just move go there, so I only have one bed and one fan only. That's all I moved with. Not even a fan. One bed, no fan, burning up. Struggle for pay my rent, no my rent I go pay and no I go on. Yeah. Then I take my little time. I take me a month before I get a fan. Big till I get a fan. And then yeah, so you don't know my build my name from this, so build my name from the ground up. Start from the business this and just build my thing. None of can say no man help me do it. Or nobody help me do it. Me do it. When I try to tarnish my name with the whole room situation and I'm still here, like big up me all the time. Me is a true survivor through it all. You know what people feel like me that crash and mash up and just and the sister and my town and fight is like it just I just still there. I'm just still there. I'm just not moving. I'm just not leaving. Like I'm just still here. Like yeah, big up me right there. So that goes to show no matter what. Is it still enough on right now? Broke. And I don't have $1 and just feel like if you give up on life, don't do it. Like me not feel nobody they broke like me. A chicken back and chips is for $30. $30 and I could not afford it. I could not afford a chicken back and chips. And it smells so good at the right side of me. I could not buy it because I did not have $30. So it's enough on over there, you know, and I say, oh, I'm broke, I have this, I have that, I have whatever. Me go 1 year straight without a cell phone. Like, I have a phone. I go back in them a long time there. I have a phone. So if I need to say something, if something reach me, if something happen, if I walk on, I can't come, if I walk on bed car, like, I go through all heap of things. Sleepless nights, no bed to call my home, none at all. Sit down on one bus stop and cry. And he's a gentleman invite me in and say, you know, but he's a little nerd, a little uptown, a little nerdy guy. And I just have to take my chances because I never trust nobody to stay with them. I had nowhere to go. Imagine someone just walking, see me at a bus stop crying with my bags and said, and asked me questions. I'm going to tell him and explain my story. I'm just said to me, say, come, me put you up for the night. And by the time he put me up, like probably a week after, him big sister come, him stay would come and say, she need to come out, blah, blah, blah. I didn't have nowhere to go for a very long time. And then I just put, you know, so all of my pride, contact one of my friend them, because you know, no matter what we go through sometime, we know our friend them know. And that's how I met my best friend. I stayed with her for 6 months. She put me up for. Yeah. Can I ever bring her man because I'm there? So at the end of the day, where was my dad? I didn't have a phone, so I didn't have his number. And to how, like, family members and persons I don't want to talk about used to talk about how rough and strong and gruesome he is like I just grew up in fear, like afraid. Yeah. And then I stayed with my friend for a couple months and you know what? I make up my mind and I went up there. I tell you from I go up on my father the best thing ever happened to me. Like I get $1,000 for my lunch money. At them time they are $250 me. I get $1,000 for my lunch money. Like I live lavish. I must say lavish life. Lavish. So at the end of the day, we all, you know, go through our little situation and think that life end, hope gone, but we all can make it. All you need a little ambition. You just need a little ambition, you need determination. I used to say someone else when have no plans and no goals and no dreams, no share it with people. Because to me, if I listen to some persons that I had, I know me that never be nothing. And that's why I love my man. Him push me so much. Him push me so much. No matter much I say, I can't do it. He say, you can do it. And he make the link and he make sure I do it. Like me can just sit back and just say, oh, I want to do this. And just deal with it for me. You say, if I not for me, I have to show my ID or sign a signature, him do all that for me and make sure I'm good. Like I can just lock me and go sleep. I'm just good. Yeah. I'm not licky say him now go. I'm supposed to get that money and him tell me say, some borrow some more tight for collect. I let him look at dirty man there. Some borrow some more tight for collect this. But at the end of the day, enough I now go through no look situation right now, just having a look at ambition and a head pan and a body. That's all you need and I'm good to go. Don't walk with a head pan yourself. Okay, so some man have the look of thinking and think say, okay, I want a rich man. Where I look a politician man and just spend this and spend that and spend that. I say if you do get that the man there, you better know so the first money you want to get to take it and do something. Money not last forever. Money do not last forever. You can get $10 million today and it done in the space of 1 month. Money and nothing, you know. By the time you buy 5 look a nice thing, a $5 million, you gone outside, you know. You get what I say? have on the head pan on nobody and I make nobody take no ambition away from you because me I tell you say enough things me want to try and them chop me out tight. No, sir. This not gonna work. No, girl. Don't do that. No, girl. This I'ma do my thing. I don't look upon them. I'ma do my thing. Enough time when me I start my little things, I'm gonna laugh off of me. Wanna laugh. Wanna this and that. My man will say, girl, if you know say it's gonna work, go and fight. My father, once I come to him with ideas, he tell me go and fight. My father make sure somebody like my father, big up my father. Yeah. He make sure say I put my head to things and I come to in my ideas. So I'm telling you this, not true, no, look on the dark days. Sunlight too come shine straight in and I blind, no. Oh, it's only because me known. So you see, because I am known, only know most things where I go through my life. But you have some girls with them life stories like mine too. That them never have nothing at all. You get what me I say? So at the end of the day, instead of like preying somebody's life and a bad mind them, get look of motivation. Like most of my posts them is never for hype. It's always for motivational purposes only. It's never for hype. I am humble. So when I did young, I used to cuss up with the girl and me and them the friend and my cuss on my class and I go on the most way. Me never humble. I was not humble. Like me say, I'm gonna get a look at 100,000, pick up my 100,000, I'm gonna put up my 100,000. I don't me having I can't even buy nothing, you know, because I want have 100, I want to broke 100,000. I'm gonna go on, I'm gonna hype, I'm gonna show off, I'm gonna proud, I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna this, I'm gonna that, I'm gonna go on. Yeah. Me never humble, but now I am very humble and I could hype on a lot of you, but I don't do it. I motivate you guys. I make you know say, now listen to no girl or no boy. Enough people will give them an idea and them take it. Them take your idea and run gone with your idea till they say, no sir, that not gonna work. Like me not see you do that girl, like that not gonna fit a girl. Like girl don't do that. And by the quinta who you see I do it. You know watching people class me. I remember when me start on my cream, them class my girl, it's just a bleaching cream. I just selling a bleaching cream like it's just a bleaching cream, girl. So you know, oh, you know much of them I sell. You know much of them I sell. You know much of them I try for sell now, my love. A lot. So that goes to show, do not listen to people. When I just start, I look at back of service, people try laugh off of me. Laugh off of all of the things, them laugh off of everything. I'm going to hold my head up high with my back of service. I know much people, the same people that laugh off of me, I do back of service. I know I just do my makeup, people that laugh off of my makeup and class, and tell me, I'm going to make the people them favor dopey and the people that going to favor ghosts, and I'm going to write on the people them face. I know much of them try off of the makeup a little bit after me. So that just goes to show you, do not listen to people. Don't give them your idea. Just pop out, bitch. Pop out. Do your thing. Now listen to them. Now take no advice from nobody. You get what I say? Do nothing. What is for you will always be for you. No one can stop that but God up above. My heart is very clean. I might be loud, or I might get angry, or I might have the temper issue because I love to show when I'm angry. But my mama tell you this, like, my heart pure. I don't look for nothing in return because the people who help, I not expect them to can help me back ever in a life. I not expect them to can help me back. I genuinely feel away. I genuinely help them. And also, I am currently saving for something. So please not dear me begging me no for my money, no for my cash, no for right now to all me I save I'm a broke bitch. You get what me I say? So no beg me nothing. Like, I want money from Uno right now. Like, yeah. Right now, me I work hard at night time. I ride and I do the things them to get some money. So, help me. Show me some new positions. Show me some new styles. Like, show me some videos. Tell me the things and what I can do to get more money from my fiance. So, don't beg me, please. I'm currently riding out my life, riding out my days for a lot of money right now. So just show me some video, position, style, so I can reach to my goal because I'm currently selling it. So that's enough to do for me. No beg me shit. I'm broke right now and I try to get look of money right about now. So this is I'm going for the life right now. Lincoln Tree, that big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah, so Me I try work. Lincoln give me some of the pum pum pill them now, sir. Because me I tell us me lock straight up, you know. When I remember some was like, you know, some lock straight up. So I kinda want some pills to like open. So nobody me tired of my inbox full up a begging. Someone need to understand not everyone is going to see a total stranger and help them. A lot of you guys are keep say, "Uno not have this, uno broke, uno want this, uno want that." When I look pan on the page, you have more money than me. Uno have more clothes than me. Uno hear them longer than my one. Uno lash them longer than my one. Uno out every night. Uno have Moscato throwing on the ground. Like, one of the big people. Yes, send me a package, Lincoln. So one of the big people. Uno no private on the page. I take off the things them one. Eh? One in a bag. Uno no lock off on the page. Uno no realize them see. Shanzi, what's up, baby? Uno no realize them see what's going on. Like I do see. Me see on a Nike boots and on a Balenciaga and on a hot things them on out every night and on the caption them on the iPad set a caption. On the caption them hype. I thought a broke bit said something. And another day I said, Nikki, I'm just asking you please, my rent is due. Like all them something they like, if you not beg enough, know for beg people. Or the frig you beg me for pay your rent for you. And in your DP and by your page you have no girl to take with my man. So what your man daddy I do for you, my love? You don't let him go there if him not do nothing for you. You don't make them, you're for glad for them to take away your man. Cause never man like that in my life. Like I'm glad me move up from them careless stage. I'm used to careless, you see. I'm talking some careless people not help you with nothing. Jesus. Eh? We don't come on a beg for pay rent and for pay light. How the frig you gonna ask a total stranger help you for pay for your rent and pay for your light? I'm gonna say, okay, how much for your rent? Me not a foreign, my love. And one time, I must say 2 times I ever got foreign, and I was like 9 and 12. I cannot even remember when me go up there go do. To all me did young. And me for take my hard working cash. God, and I can't text him. Put this phone upon silent. Me for take my hard working cash and give uno for pay for phone rent and phone light away. Me never live now when another never help me out. Eh? Them not listen to me, I hear them one. Them not ram for beg me my wig them. So when I go to my wig them, I want me wear upon my head. Eh? Some on a class, I go on class, I come and sit down with a friend and rub me out and walk, I'm sweating on my wig. You don't want to come beg me my wig and beg me my use lash them and nobody no class. Nobody no class me like Uno we beg me. Uno? Nobody no class me like Uno. I don't know want beg me. And me forgive Uno for Uno classmate. So I understand no fan must no put me up. And I see him friend DM me and say that girl would just put you up. She just the over the blood clot here just a shop and she classy and she classy and she classy. Come and you come put me up book and God go so okay girl. Me my love me not look upon you. But not stop no for class. Can you see me a girl forget class. Me forget class. Yeah. So big up me right here, so yeah girl, honestly, big up me right here. Class me anytime you want. You see if I'm coming for my life, I'm gonna screen record it and I'm gonna drag me and I'm gonna class me and I'm gonna tear me up and I'm gonna put me up all over the place and class me. Can you see me forget class. You're a nice girl. You're not supposed to see me and I'm supposed to class me. I'm not supposed to put up nothing and none of do class me. That's a number 1. I'm not supposed to put up no picture or put up no post or nothing going on in my life and none of chat me. Me not feel like me I do nothing then. You know? Supposed to chat me. Okay? Yeah. So, right now, sending on a group. They wanna look at thing them on screen record and chat me my ears ring. Because it don't make no sense. Me I go all out and I do all of this and nobody not seeing me. Like, that is terrible and that is very hurtful. Imagine doing all of this, like, fix up yourself and look good and nobody in a blood clot see you. You know that? You know that? Wanna sees me, because that's what species sees me. You supposed to reach the Shania over them like the over there so is my house. I live over there rent free. Like no rent. Me not pay no rent monthly. I'ma live over there so I mean tell us I get my followers, you know. I say the people them post so I get 4,000 people. People them post me get 2,000. I like it, just send me over there, post me over there, big up my local things them and big up me. Me a nice girl. I'm supposed to get classes. I'm supposed to get done-ins. After me no more that one my love class me and done me. Anyways, my fiance is here. I am coming off live until you guys see me again. So probably tomorrow. I don't know. It depends. I'm gonna try to come live more often and talk to you guys. Reason wouldn't know, vibe wouldn't know. Go take back my picture them and all of them look something there and go and post. So now I have things for my page for see. Cause I'm supposed to tired of the promotion and the chrome white and I'm not seeing Nikki. The Nikki wanna love and love for see and the girl wanna love.